Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video, we are going to understand how to automate product catalog emails for Google Form leads and track them in Airtable. So here my objective is whenever I have received a new lead through my Google Form, then automatically one product catalog mail will be sent to my user's Gmail account and also store their leads into my Airtable. For that, I am going to integrate my Google Form to the Gmail and Airtable, and this will only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So this is right over here is the automation that I have done, that whenever any new catalog request will be come into my Google Form, then automatically one product catalog mail will be sent to my user's Gmail account completely based on their leads that they were provided while filling my Google Forms. Also store their leads into my Airtable. Yes, but before moving forward, now I'll give you a quick overview of how this automation will work and how this automation will used in real time. For that, I am going to fill this Google Form that I have already created before, where I have mentioned the field as full name, email, phone number and company. So here I am entering the test details, that is the full name I'll provide as test user. After that, the email address I provide as testuser@pabblytunes.com. Then I am providing one test contact number also. After that, the company name I provide as Pabbly. Then I am going to click on the submit button. See, my form is submitted successfully. Now we will check that we have received the mail or not. Here I am refreshing it. See, I have received a mail 0 minutes ago, which includes my name that I have shared while filling the form, that is the test user, and the message regarding the product catalog. And now I am also going to show you my Airtable account, that the leads of my user will be added or not. See, a new row is added into my table that I have already created into my Airtable account by the name of Google Form Leads. That includes my name that I have shared while filling the form as test user, test contact number, email address and the company name. So if you also want to do this type of automation, that when any new form submission can be done through your Google Form, then automatically one product catalog mail will be sent to your user's Gmail account. Also store their leads into your Airtable. Then you have to follow step-by-step instructions that I am giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So here you are on the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any coding or programming skills. Now I'll give you a quick review about Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community, where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your doubts here, and the people who are facing similar problem just like you, or even the Pabbly team members, will help you out. So if you want to join this amazing community, then I'll provide the link of this community in the description box. You can check out. Now we will get back to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. Here on the right hand side, you can see two options are there. The one is sign in and the other is sign up free option. If you are a new user, then you can click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you can click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I am clicking on the sign in option. So here you can see these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are doing an integration between the applications, so I am going in this Pabbly Connect box by clicking access now button. So this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place, where you can see your task allotted, your task consume, your task remaining and the free task consume. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this plus option, where you have to write the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. After that, as we are creating a new workflow, so I am going to click on this plus create workflow button. When you click on it, it will ask you to select the workflow builder while providing you two, that is new beta and the classic version. Here I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I am selecting this. Then it will ask you to provide the workflow name. So I am providing the workflow name as automate catalog sending from Google Forms to Airtable in minutes. After that, the folder I select is Pabbly Connect. After that, I'm going to simply click on this create button. Here you can see our workflow is created successfully. Now, this is right over here is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger, where at first you have to select your trigger application. Trigger says when this happened. Now, for selecting the trigger application, you have to simply click on this. After that, you have to search your trigger application that I'm going to search as Google Forms. Here I selected. After that, you have to select the app event that I select as new response received. After that, you have to click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide you one webhook URL that you have to copy from here. While in the below, the steps are also there that how you can connect your Google Forms to your Pabbly Connect. Now, for connecting my Pabbly Connect to my Google Form, I am going to my Google Form account. So see, this is my Google Form account where I have already created one form by the name of product catalog request form. After that, now for connecting my Pabbly Connect to my Google Form, I am going to click on this responses option. After that, I am clicking on this view in sheets option. So see, this is my Google Sheet. Now for connecting my Pabbly Connect to my Google Form, I am going to click on this extensions option. After that, I am clicking on this Pabbly Connect webhooks. Here I am going to do a new setup. So I am clicking on this initial setup button. Then you have to paste the webhook URL in this webhook URL field. Here I pasted. After that, you have to write the trigger column here. The trigger columns will be your final data column. So here my final data column is E. So I am writing here. After that, I am going to click on this submit button. You can see the setup configured successfully. Now here you can see it is waiting for a webhook response. So for getting this webhook response, I am going to again fill my form. So I am filling this form one more time. In this time I am providing the full name as dummy user. After that, the email address I provide as dummyuser@pabblytudes.com. After that, I am also giving one test contact number and the company name I will provide as Pabbly. After that, I am going to simply click on the submit button. You can see my form is submitted successfully. Now we will go our sheets. See, a new row is added into my Google Sheet. Now I am going to send this test data to my Pabbly Connect. For that, I am again clicking on this extensions option. After that, this Pabbly Connect webhooks. After that, you have to again click on this initial setup button. Now I am sending the test data to my Pabbly Connect. For that, I am clicking on the send test button. See, the test data is sent successfully. Now we will check our workflow that we have received the response or not. See, we have received the response 10 seconds ago. That means our Google Form is successfully connected to our Pabbly Connect. Now I am going to tell you one most important step. You have to make sure that this send on events will active. If you don't enable this, then the leads of your user will not be sent to the Pabbly Connect. So I am enabling this also. See, it is done. Now we will get back to our workflow. Here the setting up of our trigger application is done. After that, now I am going to take my action application as Gmail because I want to send mail to my user's Gmail account. For that, I am clicking on this plus option where I am going to search the app as Gmail. After that, the app event I select as send email. After that, I'm going to click on this connect button. Then you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you don't have an existing connection, then you can click on this add new connection and sign in with Google. Here I have an existing connection, so I am clicking on the select existing connection option. After that, I'm going to click on the submit button. You can see my Gmail account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, you have to write the sender name in this field that I am going to write as Brightness Home Decor. After that, as soon as you can connect your Gmail account to the Pabbly Connect, then it will automatically select the sender email address in this field. After that, the next one is the recipient email address, where I'm going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is the Google Form. Here I mapped my user's Gmail account. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this, when my user will provide me their leads while filling the form, that is their name, Gmail address, etc., then one product catalog mail will be sent to each of the user's Gmail account. Now, this CC, PCC and reply to is not a required field, so I am leaving this blank. After that, in this email subject field, I am going to write the email subject, that is your exclusive product catalog awaits. Then in the next, I am going to write the email content in this field. Here I write, I want my username. After width is high, so I am simply clicking on it and searching my username from my previous application response, that is the test user. Now with the help of this mapping, in this place my user's name will automatically come. Here I write this email content in the HTML type, so I am selecting the HTML from here. You can also generate this HTML content by clicking on this here below. Here it is also mentions the complete tutorial link of how you can create your HTML email. After that, the labels I select as inbox. After that, if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can write the file name in this field and also attach the URL. You can also enable this toggle for getting the response in the simple format. After that, you have to click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see we have received the positive response. Now I am going to check my Gmail account that I have received the mail or not. Here I am refreshing it. See, I have received one mail 0 minutes ago, which includes my name as a test user that I have mapped from my previous application and all the content that I have written in the email content field. Here I have done this as a test example. You can make the changes in it completely based on your requirements. Now we have received the mail, that means our automation is working perfectly. Now in the next, I want to store my user data into my Airtable. For that, I am simply clicking on this plus. After that, I am searching the app as Airtable. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as create record. After that, I am going to click on this connect button. Then you can see it will provide you two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. Here I am going to do a new connection, so I am clicking on this add new connection button. After that, I am clicking on this connect with Airtable button. You can see it is asking for a permission, so I am accepting it by clicking on this grant access button. My Airtable account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, I am selecting the base name as Google Form Leads, as I already created this base into my Airtable before. See, it is automatically extracting the field that I have mentioned on the table. Now I am going to show you this table. So see, this is the base that I have already created before into my Airtable by the name of Google Form Leads, which includes the field as full name, phone number, email and the company. And now here in these fields, I am going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from my previous application, that is the full name as test user. After that, in this contact number field, I am going to do the mapping of contact number, then the email address, after that the company name. Here I mapped all the fields. After that, I am going to simply click on the save and send test request button. Here you can see the test data is sent successfully. Now we will check our base that we have received the leads or not. See, a new row is added into my Airtable, which includes the full name as test user, contact number, email and the company name. Here I only created some column. You can create more if you want to. Now we have received all the leads. That means our automation is working perfectly. After that, the setup of this application is also done. Now this is the final look of our workflow. If you face any issue while creating this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. With the help of this automation, whenever any new form submission can be done through your Google form, then automatically one product catalog mail will be sent to each of the users Gmail account. Those who are filled the Google form also store their leads into your Airtable without you doing any single efforts. This will not only save your time but also enhance your business by sending quick mails to your user. I also provide the link of this workflow in the description box. You can check out. And the best part is this automation is done without requiring any single line of code. It is only possible with the help of automation software named as Pabbly Connect.
So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.